So as you can see, I have a Pelican Catch 100, and you know, they come with fishing pole mounts, seats, things like that, but they don't come with a dang GoPro mount. So I improvised something. Hold up and I'll show you. So what we did is we took a Harbor Freight clamp. We took our GoPro tripod and screwed a 1/4 inch hole through the bottom part that twists in, and then let me get this attached and I'll show you what it looks like, finishing product. So as you can see, clamps right onto your handle, and I mean it ain't coming off, and then you got an extended end result. We got live action on the kayak. Yee yee.